Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to scan QR code on Discord mobile. You can scan QR code on Discord mobile so that you can log into your PC. To do that, open your Discord application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on you or your profile icon on down right corner. With that, now here you can see your profile. Now tap on setting icon on top right corner. With that, tap on scan QR code under account setting. Now, first you need to make sure that you are on your login page on your PC. Then you'll be able to see the QR code that is used for login. Now, scan the QR code through your mobile phone. With that, here you'll be given the option of login on new device. Tap on login. With that, you'll be logged into your device, that is your PC. As you can see here, I am logged into my desktop or my PC. This is how we can scan QR code on Discord mobile. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.